There we go. Hey, you. Zoe. There she is. You having fun in that thing? Huh? Yeah. Look. Yeah. Oh, there's a kitty cat. Yay! Springy, bouncy.
She likes it. She's cute.
Yeah. You've modified your airplane. Extra crash protection.
Yeah.
Yes. You like that? Yeah. I know you like to stand up. Yay! Hoppy, hoppy, bouncy. Maybe now you'll sleep through the night, huh? Yeah! Yeah! 2 months and 2 days old. Yeah. It's good stuff, huh? You like that bouncy seat? Uh-huh.
That was the best $30.
Yeah.
It's Tony.
Yeah, that's right. Tell Tony thank you. Yeah.
When he comes back from vacation, you're going to be a pro in that thing.
That's right. You'll be zooming all over the place.
Here's your neck. Is your neck getting tired there? There's your arm. It's sliding down underneath there. You need some support underneath your armpits.
Yeah. You are such a big, strong girl. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. That's right. Hey, buddy. The cat's sneaking by you. You're going to have to work on catching those cats. Okay? Is that a good present? Yeah, okay. We'll put this on Facebook so everybody can see you. Yeah. Yay! Yay! Uh-huh. That's right. Oh my goodness. All right. Say goodbye.